for all the suspense, for all the anxiety, for all the uncertainty over what was going to happen in Maharashtra, it finally boiled down to this viral image. The trinity of the Mahayuti, who had been in different cities for a large part of the last 11 days, finally holding hands, finally waving the victory sign, and finally, most importantly, smiling and laughing together. Devendra Fadnavis is going to be the next Chief Minister of Maharashtra. Ajit Pawar is going to be sworn in as Deputy Chief Minister. And Eknath Shinde was all smiles as the three of them made light of the prevailing uncertainty over whether Shinde will also take oath as another Deputy Chief Minister. While that little uncertainty certainly still prevails, there is no doubt that the peace has been made, the formula has prevailed, Modi and Shah have had their way, and the Mahayuti monster verdict of November the 23rd will be manifested in a brand new Sarkar in Mumbai at 5:30 p.m. tomorrow at the Azad Maidan. Take a look at how things played out and don't miss the viral moments as well.
The deadlock in Maharashtra is over. The newly elected BJP MLAs on Wednesday elected Devendra Fadnavis as the legislative party leader, meaning he will be the next Chief Minister of Maharashtra. Fadnavis thanked the BJP central leadership after he was picked as the leader of the House.
विधिमंडळ गटाचा नेता म्हणून माझी निवड केली. या निवडणुकीचं विश्लेषण करायचं झालं तर मी असं म्हणेन की या निवडणुकीने एक गोष्ट आपल्या समोर निश्चितपणे ठेवली आहे, ती म्हणजे एक है तो सेफ है आणि मोदी है तो मुमकिन है.
अभी नवनिर्वाचित विधिमंडल के नेता के नाम में देवेंद्र फडणवीस जी का मेरा बधाई और डबल इंजन के सरकार मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में महाराष्ट्र के लिए और महाराष्ट्र के भविष्य के लिए उत्साह से, उमंग से और जैसे चुनाव पत्र में आपने घोषणा की है, उन सभी वायदों को पूरे करते हुए महाराष्ट्र को आगे लेके जाएंगे.
Later, Fadnavis, along with Mahayuti leaders, met Governor C.P. Radhakrishnan and staked claim to form the government.
मैं आभार व्यक्त करना चाहता हूं आदरणीय मुख्यमंत्री एकनाथ शिंदे जी का. एकनाथराव शिंदे जी ने शिवसेना के अध्यक्ष के तौर पर और शिवसेना के लेजिस्लेचर पार्टी के प्रमुख के तौर पर महाराष्ट्र के मुख्यमंत्री पद के लिए मेरे नाम की सिफारिश का पत्र दिया है.
मला आनंद आहे की 2.5 वर्षापूर्वी पितात वाटतं ना तिथेच देवेंद्रजींनी मी मुख्यमंत्री व्हावं म्हणून माझ्या नावाची शिफारस केली होती आणि आज देवेंद्रजी मुख्यमंत्री व्हावेत अशी शिफारस आणि पाठिंब्याचं पत्र शिवसेनेच्या वतीने आज आम्ही दिलंय.
This is Fadnavis's third term as Maharashtra CM. In his first term, from October 2014 to November 2019, Fadnavis completed the full 5-year term, becoming the first CM since Vasantrao Naik to do so. In his second term, Fadnavis remained CM for just 6 days, one of the shortest stints. The stage is now set for a grand oath ceremony on Thursday. Only Devendra Fadnavis, along with 2 deputy CMs, Eknath Shinde and Ajit Pawar, will be sworn in at first. Meanwhile, hectic parleys continue as the BJP and its allies bargain for plum portfolios in the cabinet.
शिंदे साहब एक कार्यकर्ता के रूप में काम करते हैं. उनकी इच्छा है, उनकी जो उद्देश्य है, लक्ष्य है कि वे महाराष्ट्र के जरूरतमंद जनता की समस्याओं को दूर करना चाहते हैं। उनमें सत्ता की कोई लालच नहीं है और मुझे पूरा यकीन है सभी नेतागण साथ में मिलकर महाराष्ट्र को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए काम करेंगे।
With Ritwik Bhalekar and Mustafa Sheikh, Bureau Report, India Today.
And there was a hilarious moment at the press conference right after the trinity of the Mayuti staked claim with the governor, where they were addressing the press, and someone asked Eknath Shinde whether he would be taking oath as Deputy Chief Minister tomorrow during the swearing-in ceremony as well. Don't miss what happened. It's the most viral clip from the press conference.
अभी शाम तक रुको, अभी कल शपथ
शाम
है ना।
तक उनका समझ में आएगा। मैं तो लेने वाला हूँ। मैं रुकने वाला हूँ।
दादा को नहीं, अरे भाई दादा को अनुभव है, दोपहर शाम को भी लेने का और सुबह भी लेने का।
So just very quickly to sum up, I mean, it's really nice to see that the three leaders are able to break a smile, even a laugh, and find some humor in the political intrigue that has drenched the last 11 days. But that's politics for you. And why can't Fadnavis, Eknath Shinde and Ajit Pawar have a moment to at least, get a bit of a giggle in? But quickly to sum up, because this is serious business, the government gets sworn in tomorrow. Devendra Fadnavis is going to be sworn in as the Maharashtra Chief Minister. No more suspense on that. It's official. We've seen the invitation cards as well. The grand oath ceremony will be taking place at Mumbai's iconic Azad Maidan. Eknath Shinde and Ajit Pawar will be taking oath as well as Deputy Chief Ministers. There seems to be a little bit of intrigue over whether Eknath Shinde will do so as well, but it's reasonably clear that he will. Some key ministers may likely take oath as well. This was a demand from the Shiv Sena of Eknath Shinde. Prime Minister Modi, Amit Shah, most definitely attending the swearing-in ceremony. BJP chief ministers from different states in the country are also likely. There's no confirmation just yet, but it's very, very likely that they will be there as well, because this was, after all, no ordinary win. This was a huge monster verdict for the NDA in Maharashtra, and therefore there will be a great deal of symbolism. There'll be a photo op, and it is, of course, an opportunity for the NDA to muscle flex. So expect tomorrow's swearing-in ceremony to be a very, very big affair.